Planning to visit the beautiful historical sites of Agrigento, but don't want to carry your luggage all day? RadicalStorage offers a safe, fast, and easy solution for storing your bags while you explore the city's treasures like the Valley of the Temples. In this guide, I'll explain how to use RadicalStorage, a reliable platform that partners with local businesses such as hotels, cafes, and shops to ensure your luggage is stored securely and fully insured. You could search for RadicalStorage online, but to avoid any risks from phishing sites, use the safe link provided in the description. On the official RadicalStorage website, it's easy to find a luggage storage point in Agrigento. Simply type Agrigento in the search bar, and you'll get a list of storage locations around the city. You can choose a storage spot that's convenient to your itinerary, whether near famous landmarks, transportation hubs, or the city center. After selecting a storage point, you can specify your preferred drop-off and pick-up times and proceed to payment. RadicalStorage ensures secure online transactions, giving you peace of mind as you book. After confirming your booking, you will receive a reference number and directions to the luggage storage location. Once at your chosen point, show your reference to the staff and now handle your luggage securely. It's that simple. Now you're free to explore Agrigento without any baggage, confident that your belongings are safe with RadicalStorage. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.